Eyewitness News.
Firefighters working around the clock to contain the fire that continues to rage in Greenwood Lakes after flames jump the containment line. Reagan Medji is there with a live report.
Wild crash on the Southern State Parkway. New York State troopers are investigating a drunk driving crash involving two cars, allegedly both driving drunk.
And taking a look outside, the wind is still a major concern for us when it comes to that active wildfire. But, you know, it is sunny out there. Nature should be all right. Good morning on this November 17th. I'm Bella Rivera.
I'm Michelle Charlesworth. Good to have you with us. Meteorologist Danny Beckstrom. Here now, the first look at the AccuWeather forecast. We're both sighing over all of this. Both smelled the smoke coming in.
Yeah.
It's been so long, and there's been so much damage out there.
I know, and it's been so tough for our firefighters, especially as these really gusty winds pick up, right? Well, today's wind, not as much of an issue, but given how dry it is, that is still going to pose problems for these firefighters because every leaf, every bit of brush on the ground, it is so dry that is just fuel for these fires. But I'm relieved to see that our wind today isn't necessarily going to make it worse, but obviously any bit of a breeze doesn't help. 49 and sunny right now in the city. Dew points are in the 20s and 30s across the tri-state. Temperatures have started to warm up for the day. It was a cold start to the day, but we're making our way to the 60s come this afternoon, ending up fairly pleasant. 50 right now in Morristown, 43 for Newburgh, 50 in Belmar, 55 out east in Montauk. Bit of a breeze is noticeable, but again, not quite as gusty as yesterday. Yesterday, those gusts made it critical fire danger. Today, it's elevated, so still fire weather statements, and it's so dry out there that, of course, if a fire starts, it's still going to spread rapidly, but the wind shouldn't make it quite as much of a danger today. That being said, we're right back to the breezier conditions tomorrow with an approaching cold front. We smelled the smoke. I've been watching air quality. It's good for most of the area, moderate in the area immediately surrounding that fire, but I'm keeping a close eye on it. Otherwise, the satellite is clear. We're seeing a whole lot of sunshine this morning. Starting to watch the leading edge of this high cloud cover shift closer to us, and that does mean the sun fades behind cloud cover for the second half of your Sunday, but it doesn't keep temperatures from warming. Our highs today are in the mid-60s, about 10 above normal, and overall it will be a beautiful Sunday. Just no outdoor burning, no outdoor grilling. Elevated fire danger today, back to that higher risk tomorrow. Air quality moderate, good to moderate for most of the area. We're smelling the smoke in parts of the city, yes, but it doesn't have a significant impact on quality of our air. Temperatures are warm today and tomorrow, and then trending cooler for the middle of the week, and then rain. It's really what I want to talk about, and there's a chance on the 7 days, so I'll time it out for you in the full AccuWeather forecast coming up. Pedro?
All right, Danny, thank you. Now,